welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but I have my exciting bathroom transformation to share with you all. I'll show you the full process from start to finish, including all my DIY projects, planning and my budget ideas. So stick around if you'd like to see how I created a luxe feel on a small budget. As ever, I had my trusty dad with his many skills helping me with this project, so it wouldn't have been able to be done without him. So let's begin with some questionable photos of how the bathroom looked when I first got the keys to the house. Blue carpet, dated fittings, no proper shower, a hole in the wall for a vent, and a bizarre ceiling that looked like you were in a boat. I knew I would need to do a complete overhaul of everything in this room, and the first thing I had to get rid of was obviously the carpet. Like, who still had a carpet in their bathroom in 2018? Because I wasn't living in the house at the time, all we needed to keep was the toilet and the sink. So we ripped out the cupboard and the bath that were in there, and the bath actually sat in my dining room for ages before we could get rid of it. I then looked at the space to see what I could fit in there because I really wanted both a bath and a shower cubicle, and if possible the shower to be like a rectangular shower, not just a small square shower. Excitingly, I found out that I could fit both a freestanding bath and a shower cubicle, which was amazing. I was so pleased when I found this out. And even though the distance between the edge of the bath and the shower looked tight on the drawings, I decided to go with it and hope it was enough to get into the bathroom. One thing I was adamant about was to have as little chrome fittings as possible. I just have this dislike of chrome. Now, if you like it, go for it. Like, I don't judge you at all. It's just what my personal preference is. So I wanted to have matte black wherever possible. I also have a touch of like brass fittings as well. So matte black and brass, that was kind of my my metals in the room. But before I could focus on the fixtures and fittings, we had some serious wall and floor issues to sort out. The walls were a messy plaster texture, the floorboards weren't the right thing to tile onto, and remember the ceiling? Yeah, that had to go out after I debated painting it, but I knew I would regret it later. Because we were moving the plumbing to incorporate a bath and shower, all the floorboards were removed so the plumber could come and do his first fix. And so at one point, this is all we had to walk on to get to the loo. Instead of replastering, we boarded some of the room in waterproof plasterboard and made a design feature with tongue and groove panelling. Now for my bathroom vanity, I had seen some beautiful Pinterest pictures where they had used an old chest of drawers and put a sink on top and inserted like the tap into the top of the, on top of the chest. I really wanted this to add character to the bathroom, so I found some drawers on Facebook Marketplace, and I'd already seen a countertop sink at B&Q that would really fit the vibe of this bathroom. So as I said, we fixed up the drawer unit. Now these were only £25, and so we're in a bit of a rough condition. My dad managed to fix the drawers so they were like smooth, and he put a little, I don't know what you call it, upstand. He put a small little upstand on the back as well as a little like finishing detail. It was really cute. And then we sanded it all down. We stained it. So we stained the top and the drawer fronts, and then the rest of it I painted in like a dark charcoal colour. Once we'd fitted the sink to the top of the unit, we drilled the holes for both the plug hole and the tap, and then we had to cut the first drawer and a little bit of the second drawer so that it would fit and it would close around the plumbing. So as we're on the subject of Facebook Marketplace finds, I also bought my bath from there. So the couple that I bought it from had actually originally bought it but weren't going to use it, and it hadn't been fitted in the bathroom for very long. I need to mention that the bath was only £100 compared to many I was looking at were like £400 or £500. It did come with chrome feet, and it was just white, so it was just white with chrome feet. So I knew that I didn't want chrome obviously in the bathroom, so I've spray painted them gold, and I had to then pick a colour to paint the bath because I didn't want it just white. So I chose pink for my bath. It is a bold choice, but because everything else in the room was black, white or grey, I felt that this added a nice little accent colour, and it's something that I can easily paint over if I decide on another accent colour for the bathroom later on. So I just primed the bath with grey, like spray paint primer, and then got a more durable pink paint to paint on top. As you can see from my house tour roughly a year ago, my shower is nowhere near finished, and I didn't have a shower until I think November of last year. So November 2020 I think is when the shower, me and my dad fitted the shower, like November, December. So when it came to tiling the shower, this was my first time ever tiling. I did a few rows of the tiles. It was quite basic because it was just squares and all the lines, like it wasn't like a brick pattern or anything fancy. But it was my first time tiling. Yeah, I did a few rows. My dad did do most of it, bless him. And when we grouted it, because it was black grout, it did take a while to like wipe off, so we did have to wipe it off lots. So once the shower had been finished, we had all the fiddly bit of trimmings to go around the outside, and then I had to paint it all grey to all match it in. In the process of that, I was also repainting the door white, and I fitted the door handle as well. I did all my finishing touches, and now it's ready to show you all. so happy with how the bathroom turned out, and I hope you guys like it too. Let me know in the comments what you think, and also if you do anything differently. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!